Welcome everybody to Famous Last Words, Advent of Code, Day 21. We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And today, Matt, do you know what day it is?
It is December 21st, day 21. It is the winter solstice, summer solstice, if you're in the a lot of S's.
Welcome everybody to Famous Last Words, Advent of Code, Day 21. We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And today, well, you know what, Matt? Today, what is today?
Well, today's a very special day, Will. Today is the December solstice. It is the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, longest day of the year in the southern hemisphere. And all around, a good day to program.
Alright, so let's get into the challenge for today. There's not much to do as you slowly descend to the bottom of the ocean. The submarine computer challenges you to a nice game of Dirac dice. This game consists of a single die, 2 pawns, and a game board with a circular track containing 10 spaces marked 1 through 10 clockwise. Each player's starting space is chosen randomly. Player 1 goes first. Players take turns moving. On each player's turn, the player rolls the die 3 times and adds up the results. Then, the player moves their pawn that many times forward around the track that is moving clockwise on spaces in order of increasing value, wrapping back around to 1 after 10. So if a player is on space 7 and they roll 2, 2, and 1, they would move forward 5 times to spaces 8, 9, 10, 1, and finally stopping on 2. After each player moves, they increase their score by the value of the space their pawn stopped on. Players' scores start at 0, so if the first player starts on space 7 and rolls a total of 5, they would stop on space 2 and add 2 to their score. The game immediately ends as a win for any player whose score reaches at least 1,000. What do you get if you multiply the score of the losing player by the number of times the die was rolled during the game? So what do you think, Matt?
Well, today seems a lot simpler than the past couple days we've seen. We're not dealing with 3 dimensions, not dealing with a whole lot. Really, we're just dealing with a dice roll and a walk around the board. So I have a feeling the programmers today will kind of get a nice break, a little bit quicker today than...
Let their brains stretch out a little bit.
That's right. Nice for a Tuesday. Nice right before Christmas. Hopefully, I don't know. If you're up for a challenge, maybe you like to see a tough challenge right before Christmas. But I know I have a lot going on. I would like an easy...
Like what?
A lot of things to consider. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Christmas supper. It's a busy time of year. And then you throw Advent of Code on top of that, it can get very busy. So I'm glad to see a more simpler challenge today. But let me know what you think. Comment in the comments down below or in the Discord.
Well, with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And we're going to be seeing you tomorrow for day 22. And hopefully you had some luck moving forward and you caught up with the rest. And we're all going to get on this train to get to the end goal. Have a good one.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
How's the lighting and everything good? My bald ass head on there?
Ass head.